All right, well, here we're doing a shout out to the three companies that I will mention in the video. First, we have Emergent Works. Secondly, we have the Beam Path. And lastly, third, we have EdFarm. If you want to learn more about these companies, the description will be the info about these companies will be in the description box below. All right, first things first, I want to define a couple things before we get started. First is, what is a brand? A brand is a person's gut feeling about a product, service, or company. Secondly, what is an identity? An identity is a trademarked logo, symbol, monogram, emblem, or other graphic device. All right, let's get into it. All right, hello, my name is DeAndre Hudson, and this is Design by Dudes, and this is part 2 of my video, Big Ideas, Creativity, and Inspiration. So where we last left it off, there were just these 4 cards or these 4 logos, and I was trying to decide what exactly to do with them. So after doing a little bit of research, I kind of came up with what the brand or the identity may be. So this is the visual identity. These 3 primary colors, the red, blue, and the green. Now, what's the branding? We have to say, what is bridge the gap exactly? I'm thinking it could be inspired by a couple specific things. Let me start typing real quick. Text tool. Let's make that 100. I like 100. 100 is solid always. Emergent Works, which is a nonprofit organization that helps former felons learn how to code. Oops. The Bean Path, which is a organization in Jackson, Mississippi, which teaches, it's specifically geared towards Black Americans, and it teaches them about technology and tech literacy. Then we have EdFarm, which is similar to the Beam Path, where it teaches people tech literacy, but this one is centered in Atlanta. So the idea for the idea for bridge the gap or bridge inside the gap, I feel like fits well with this. So it would be what would the word be? The branding would be space. Hold on. Brand. Brand and identity. Perfect. Brand and identity. So we're going to make this about half the size. And yeah, we're going to say it is the 3 primary colors inside of boxes. That'll be the visual identity. Now the brand, give me just a second. Cool. Is a space. Oops. Where people can learn. Of course, we'll probably move this over. Can learn, get opportunity. Spell correctly. Opportunity. And potentially hire talent, especially because if they're training people, about tech. If this company is training people about tech literacy, they could potentially then offer the services of their trainees to other companies. So if we move this over a smidget, we could have some words like, let's see. Where's the brush tool at? That's what I want. How big is it though? Oh, it's nice. Learn. Scholarship. Get opportunity. And this is not solidified, but potentially an agency. So that will be the brand. So let me make another artboard. Okay, cool. Time is well. We're doing well on time. Let's see. Just gonna zoom out a smidget. Oops. Alrighty. Hopefully y'all can see that well. So after that, I did solidify the brand a little bit better. And then I did some more identity design. So instead of just bridge the gap, because I was like, this looks pretty darn ugly. With the these on the outside, the bridge inside the gap is all right. Big is the, or BTG is the what's it called? The abbreviation, big or BTG. Well, I just simplified it a little bit. Bridge the gap. BTG. Made it real simple. Yeah, I think that works for what the brand is. So you could say something like, let's see. Branding, right? How does it make our customers feel? They should feel welcome. Oops. Let's see. They should feel welcome. They should feel safe. They should feel like they're being helped. Welcome, safe, cared for. That might be the same thing as safe. Welcome, safe, comfortable. Just some things like what would this BTG or this BIG, what would it do for the customer or for the trainee? How would it make them feel? These, I believe, are some core concepts that will be good. That would be great for this this sort of tech school or this tech hub or tech space. Where this would be located, not necessarily sure, but that would be it. Let's see. Defining our customers / clientele. It would be, what did I have here? We have K through 12. People who are returning to work and may need or be interested in learning a new skill, and former felons. Now, these people will all be taking classes in different sections. Let's see. Branding, safe, welcome, care for customers. Let's see. What's the other one I'm looking for? Aspects. Or maybe the words facets. Not necessarily sure, but there could be a physical campus. And also with where you can get tutors. And online courses plus 2 tutoring. That'd be some of the aspects of the brand. And in regards to the visual identity, usually everything in my mind usually starts very visually, for the most part. Oops. Scooch that over, smidge it. Scooch that over, smidge it. Cool. Let's see, we have some quick copy. How do we bridge the gap? Right? How do we bridge the gap? And then we could have some stats. Or we can have a picture in a picture. Let's see. We can make that white. No, we can make it white. Or gray. Gray's not bad either. Let's change it up a little bit. A little small stroke. Boom. Let's see. Boom. I guess this is basically building how the UX will look, because we're keeping a consistent brand. How do we bridge the gap? How do we bridge the gap? By serving excuse me for the noise, and the text messages under represented. This might be one word, or it might have one R's. I'm not sure right now. Let's see. So we have, like I said, we have K through 12. Returning workers. And this website, I mean, or these designs I'm doing right now are actually inspired by the EdFarm website. Yes, yes, yes. Boom. 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 Another text box. Yes. We'll make that half the space, 25. I just want some filler in here. So perfect. I just need some filler text. A little bit of filler text. Boom. And this could be something like showing. Am I using touching the wrong key? It's option, right? Yeah. There we go. I'll just copy it. Whatever. Showing some stats about showing some stats about I apologize. Showing some stats about K through 12 students who are trying to get into the tech industry, how there may be a barrier for them and how this company could potentially help them. Returning workers, people who are dissatisfied with the current job or they're coming out of retirement and they're wanting to get something that's fresh, something that's very contemporary, and they want to learn new skills. Wanting to transition to a new job, or people coming out of retirement current, looking for something current. Cool. For by design is hard. Convicts to get training and opportunity to rejoin the workforce. For an easy transition. Oops, periods. Interested in STEM. And hungry to learn and grow. Something like that, not specifically, but this would be the brand and the identity. Oops. This would be it. So I think us have done well with getting a firmer concept on what exactly it is, what exactly is bridge inside the gap, or what exactly is bridge the gap. And so it's a space where people can learn and get opportunity and potentially hire talent. It would be it would have two aspects: a physical campus and an online courses where people, specifically 3 different groups of peoples, students, returning workers, and felons, can learn skills get the opportunity and hire talent. Well, can learn the skills and get the opportunity, and people could then contact this company sort of as an agency potentially and hire talent from there. There may be some students who are K through 12 and may want to build a portfolio or resume early. Returning workers may need to find out what companies are willing to hire some junior developers or junior designers. And then former felons, of course, they would need some instruction as to where to get a decent job. So I think that's it.